This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Swift Dzire Bluetooth with your phone. First, ensure your car's ignition is on, either with the engine running or in accessory mode. Next, activate the Bluetooth feature on your mobile phone, making it discoverable to other devices. Remember to keep your phone within a close distance, perhaps within 1 or 2 feet of the car's infotainment system, for optimal signal strength during the initial pairing process. Now, direct your attention to your Swift Dzire's infotainment system display. From the main menu, you will need to find and select the settings icon, or in some models, it might be labeled as Phone. Once inside this section, simply choose the Bluetooth option. This will open up all the available Bluetooth functionalities for your vehicle, preparing it for device pairing. From the Bluetooth menu on your car's display, select the option labeled Pairing Mode or Add New Device. Activating this will instruct your Swift Dzire system to begin actively searching for nearby mobile devices. While the car is searching, double-check your phone's Bluetooth settings to confirm it is set to visible or discoverable. This ensures your phone broadcasts its presence for the car to detect. After the car searches, your phone should display Suzuki Swift Dzire or a similar car name in its list of available Bluetooth devices. Tap on this name to initiate the connection. A pairing request will then appear on both your phone and the car's display. Be sure to confirm it on both ends. You might also be prompted to enter a 4-digit PIN, usually displayed on the car's screen, into your phone to finalize the secure connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.